Hiya folks, it's Thor. Thanks for joining me for another shave. Today we have a barbershop shave, and we're going to be using Stirling Soap Company's Barbershop. Stirling Soap Company's Barbershop is in my top 3 barbershop scents, so I know I'm going to enjoy it today. We're just going to go in for a quick shave, probably just 2 passes, and a cleanup if necessary. And I'm going to use my West Coast Shaving Ancient Stone Collection beacon-shaped brush with synthetic knot. And we're just going to go in for a load. All right, that should be good. We will just scoop out some of the excess lather that started forming there. Put our soap up to dry. Re-wet the face. And get to lathering. Okay, so not worrying too much about how I apply that. Just spreading it around a little bit. And we'll get to creating a lather for you. Okay, just getting a nice base coat on. Great. And then we're going to worry about hydrating it and then agitating it. Okay, that's forming up nice already. Add some more water here. Nice. When the lather goes flying, I know it's blown up just right for me. All right. So for a quick shave, we're going to call that lather done. And today we are going to be using Timeless Bronze. So if you've seen some of these before, it's probably been a lot shinier. Probably somewhere in this area, even though this is brass. I like mine to get that patinaed tarnished look. And so you can see a little bit under there, starting to discolor and get unique coloring. So I have about 2 days growth, and so I chose this razor because it's nice and smooth, and if I have to shave every day, this is one of the razors I can do it with. So if you like a extremely efficient razor, this might not be the one for you. I picked it up because I consider myself to have sensitive skin, although a lot of people will tell you that that could just be not having a good set of shaving skills built up yet. Been wet shaving for about 2 years, so I hope I've improved a little bit over that time. I think I have. But like I say, I think I have sensitive skin, and so I usually enjoy a smooth razor. Although that does not mean it's not efficient. To me, that just means it's not aggressive, or what I like to say, I like to call what most people would call aggressive. I like to call that bitey. Like it's kind of like just biting on my skin. Because I do think there has to be a difference between aggressive and efficient. You could have efficiency without aggression, and you could have aggression without efficiency. So, this is just a nice, smooth razor. So, like I say, if you're into really nicely machined, quality pieces, then yes, I would definitely recommend this for you. If you like smooth shaves, I would definitely recommend this for you. If you have sensitive skin, I would definitely recommend the Timeless Bronze for you. If you love really aggressive razors and you really love the feel of the razor on your skin and all that comes with it, I don't think I would recommend this razor for you. So that's just my opinion. If you do get a chance to try it before you buy it, I definitely say give that a shot. With the Blackbird Brass, I never would have picked that up unless I got a chance to try it first. So I thought it was going to be too aggressive for me. I thought it was going to be too bitey, and it just wasn't. It's, in my opinion, very efficient, very smooth. I don't think I could use it every day, but I certainly can use it every 3 or 4 days. But this one, the Timeless Bronze, I can use pretty much every day if I need to. All right. Second pass down. Feel around. Yep, pretty good. We are just going to clean up 2 spots. Usually for that third pass or the cleanup, I just squeeze the bottom of the brush, extracting most of the lather to the top. And then just apply where we're going to clean up. So right in the back of the jawline for me today. Nice. All right. So that's our cleanup down. Just gonna wash out this brush here. It's a nice small brush for a 2-pass shave or a 2-pass with a cleanup. And again, just drying it off. The stropping motion. Back and forth a few times. Hang that up to dry. Take our timeless bronze apart. And since I like to give it that tarnished look, what I do is I just put it down here on my sink where it's a little bit wet, and I just let it air dry. So, just showing you what I do to disassemble the razor most of the time. Now this is my third use on an Astra SP. I felt a little bit of tugging, so I'm not going to use it again. We're just going to drop that into the blade bank and call it a day. Okay, again, our soap for today was Stirling Soap Company's Barbershop. Fantastic scent. And we'll clean that up with our Thayer's Peach Witch Hazel, which today I heard is being discontinued. So, as much as I recommend it, please don't buy it anymore. I want to buy them all up. Thayer's, if you're out there, if you're listening, please, please, please do not discontinue the peach. I love it. I'll buy more, I promise. I bought 3 today when I found them. Got an opportunity to head over to Pasteur's to meet up with a few guys. And picked up, like I said, 3 of the Thayer's Peach Witch Hazels. So we'll just use that to clean the face. Okay. Let's get one of our hand towels and wipe down the area. Get it nice and clean. And I've said it in some of the previous videos. Little irritation here. A couple little weepers maybe. Hopefully that's from overuse of the blade for me, and not the razor. But yeah, like I said, usually I would let this witch hazel dry down on my face and come back later to give it a wash down. But for today, so you guys see the full post, imagine this is about 10 minutes later, and I'm just shocking the face with some ice cold New York City tap water. Patting dry. And I know I don't normally do it, but we're matching today with the Stirling Barbershop Aftershave Splash. Love the scent. Just love the feeling. This is a fantastic aftershave. If you haven't tried it, I do recommend it. It doesn't have a greasy feeling, but it does feel like very nourishing. It's got a very nourishing feel, and I really dig that. And it has just the right amount of sticking power, so I'll smell like this for a little while to come while I enjoy the rest of my night. All right. So, yep, got a little bit of irritation right here and right here. I think I'll have to go back and look at the tape, but kind of like lathered up here. I think for my cleanup pass, I kind of came all the way out here, even though I didn't reapply the lather. So let that be a lesson to all of us. Don't forget to reapply the lather if you're going to shave over the spot again. So with that, I think our shave is concluded. Thanks so much for joining. Can't wait to see you next time, and have a great night, folks.